This is a review of the Spawned Wild 6-layer mesh herb hanging drying rack. The brand sent this to me so I can test and do a review. And let's open this up. So it does have a warning to unzip the bag in an open area because of the fact that the dry net may fly out with a violent force. Woo! It sure does. Great. And then this is what it looks like. Let me see how big this is. And so you can actually flip this around and zip this, so then that way it's not hanging loosely, and it ends up becoming yet another layer. It's not a mesh layer, but it is still a layer that's usable. And up top here, not only do you have the hook, but you've also got this that you can clip around to hang as well.